Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Face ID not working on iPhone. So one of the ways or one of the reasons why this is happening to you, because maybe something on your screen getting in the way of confirming your facial recognition. So just make sure that you clean your clean your interface of your iPhone so you can fix that problem. If you did and still facing that same issue, what you're gonna do, you gotta see right here, go ahead to the settings and go ahead to the Face ID and passcode, and I'm gonna just go ahead and enter my passcode and you're gonna be able right here to see my facial ID and what it's used for. So basically, if that was the problem, go ahead and click reset the Face ID to generate a new facial recognition. Okay, so basically, you need to do it again. But if that wasn't the problem, right, if that wasn't the problem for you, what you're gonna do, which I prefer, go ahead to the settings and then, or go back to the settings and then go ahead to the general, and what you're gonna do, go ahead and transfer reset iPhone, click reset, basically reset all the the basically all settings, and then basically what you're gonna do, and enter your passcode, and then you're gonna be able to set up the new Face ID, and that should fix your problem. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.